Inside this facility, 2 million bottles of Coca-Cola are produced every single day. It all starts with water, purified to 99.9% purity through a 5-stage filtration process. This is the secret formula, combined with carbonated water to create the iconic taste. Each bottle begins as a small plastic preform, heated and expanded in milliseconds. Every bottle is sanitized inside and out before it touches the product. 40 bottles filled every second. Precision engineering ensures zero waste. Each cap is sealed with exact torque to lock in carbonation and freshness. The world's most recognized label applied in under 0.3 seconds per bottle.
AI and human experts inspect every batch. Only perfection reaches you.
24 bottles at a time. Automated to handle 50,000 cases per shift.